Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Question given here is assertion reason type question. These question consist of two statements printed as assertion and reason. While answering this question, how we can choose the following response? Option A, if assertion is true but the reason is false. If assertion is false, reason is true. If both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. If both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, then option D. So assertion given here is C3O2 is non-planar molecule and reason is terminal pi bonds of the molecule are lying in different planes. So if we talk about the key concept of the question, अगर हम key concept की बात करें, basically ये question हमारे पास C3O2 molecule के ऊपर based है. तो अगर हम C3O2 molecule के बारे में देखें तो C3O2 is non-planar molecule. They mention that C3O2 is a non-planar molecule. बट अगर हम इसकी शेप की बात करें, C3O2 के स्ट्रक्चर की या शेप की बात करें तो ये लीनियर होता है. इसकी शेप कुछ इस तरह से हम बना सकते हैं. C डबल बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड C और यहाँ पे हमारे पास डबल बॉन्ड में ऑक्सीजन और डबल बॉन्ड में ऑक्सीजन होती है. तो ये एक लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है और जब भी कोई कंपाउंड लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है तो वो प्लेनर नेचर का ही होता है. देन इट मस्ट बी प्लेनर. And what they are saying ki this is non-planar, so we can say this statement is not correct. And another reason, terminal pi bonds of the molecule are lying in different plane. This is correct. Its terminal pi bonds are left basically arranged in different plane. तो ये statement correct है. तो इसके according हमारा कौन सा option correct हो सकता है? Option B. Assertion is false but reason is true. So option B would be the correct answer. I hope you got the concept. All the best.